The purple bead represents our next value of quality. We strive to provide the best in clinical service quality to our patients at Adventist Health. Purple signifies high quality or royalty. One example of how we ensure we provide the highest quality happens in surgical situations. Before we begin a surgery, we go through a checklist to make sure we're following core measures and giving the best quality patient care. Core measures are the basic tasks that hospitals should perform for patients when they come in with certain diagnoses or for surgery. Each core measure has a certain set of tasks called best practices, such as giving instructions on weight monitoring to heart failure patients or aspirin to heart attack patients. Core measures are based on actual results from Medicare data on heart attack, heart failure, pneumonia, and surgical procedure patients. These tasks have been shown to reduce complications, prevent recurrences, and improve patient outcomes. We even have an entire staff who review patient charts 40 hours a week to make sure our physicians and staff meet our standards of the highest quality.
Adventist Health values our community, and we believe you are part owners in this hospital. We practice the value of stewardship by providing responsible resource management and serving our communities. The stewardship value is our green bead, which signifies reliability, nature, harmony, and durability. Every year we hold events within the community to build a reliable partnership with you while providing wellness at the same time. Here is how our stewardship strengthens the community. An older man was in a lot of pain and couldn't focus, yet he had a lot of bills and medical information and prescription receipts to deal with as he was being admitted to the hospital. So Sheila, the admitter, took the time to sort through his paperwork and organize it into piles. She even helped him make several phone calls. He was so confused and in pain that he didn't know what he would have done without Sheila. He was thankful that she and the staff had used their resource of time as good stewards and helped him with his excellent customer service.
The orange bead represents the value of respect and shows that we care about human dignity and individuality. The orange bead reminds us to think of the golden rule when dealing with others. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. The story you will hear was a letter written to us from a daughter who was so pleased with her mother's care. Our mother was treated with understanding care, loving warmth, respectfulness, and integrity when she was treated recently here in Hanford. Mother has been in many hospitals throughout the country in her lifetime. We must tell you that we have never encountered nurses and staff who clearly practice its mission and follow its vision and values. It takes empathetic people to sit with a patient for hours every night, providing company and comfort. Their nurses even gave Mom popsicles instead of ice chips when she was restricted from fluids and gave her back rubs to help her sleep. We think Adventist Health has found the secret of great hospital care and can't thank them enough. At Adventist Health, we value respect for others and care for our patients in the best way we know how.
This red bead represents one of our values of family, one side of the octagon symbol. We are all supportive members of a caring family at Adventist Health. The red color is symbolic for traditionalism, generational wisdom, and family. We are going to listen to a story that shows how we practice the value of family when one of our physical therapy team helped out a family in need. John Conley was seriously injured in a car accident, leaving him unable to provide for his wife and his 2 young children. Within a short time after John's accident, the family fell on even harder times with the sudden tragic death of an extended family member and the diagnosis of their son with a lifelong debilitating disease. This would require John's wife, Julie, to provide consistent care, not only for her husband, but now for her son also. Losing an income placed an increased burden on the Conleys, and with Christmas fast approaching, they would be going without a celebration that year. Having worked closely with the Conleys since John's injury and knowing their predicament, staff from the Rehabilitation Services Department joined together to be a family for the Conleys, to provide Christmas that year and several following years for them. They provided a tree, decorations, gifts, and food for several years before the Conleys moved back to the Midwest. Living our value of family, of serving each other as members of a caring family was an extremely touching experience, not only for the Conleys, but also for the rehab team who were given the opportunity to care for them as family.
Today you have learned about each of our values and commitment to our patients and community. The 8th blue bead is for you. Blue represents loyalty, reliability, and honor. It represents your personal commitment to quality health care which you showed today by taking the time to come here and learn about Adventist Medical Center. As a community member, you are a part owner in this hospital, and you play an important role in making sure that you, your family, and neighbors have the health care they need. Thank you for coming today and experiencing new directions in your health care. I hope you enjoyed the adventure.